Hello, welcome back to PRC Exploring. We are on our way to Victoria Peak. So this vlog is going to be entirely on Victoria Peak. We have just done the metro from Disneyland. We went Disneyland to Sunny Bay. We changed to Sunny Bay and then we made our way to Hong Kong. And then it was a short walk to Central Station, which is where we are now. And then we've got a 5-10 minute walk to the peak, and then we'll get the tram up to the top. So yeah, come and join us. But before we do that, look where we are. If I pan round, we are right in the thick of Hong Kong now. So yeah, come join us for Victoria Peak. He's actually stopping for us. So, short 5-10 minute walk. And we have arrived outside the Peak Tram. Nice easy journey. So let's get inside. They've got a Madame Tussauds here. We are not going to be doing that. We have just got no time. But let's get in the train. These are what the first carriages look like. I think they're going to be slightly different now. We got our tickets on Klook, which is essentially like a website where you just get discounts for all the attractions. Let's make our way in. What do you reckon? Excited?
Very excited, yes. Can we sit?
Are you excited?
I don't know if we can take the pram on. Hopefully we can.
There was just screens. I don't know if they're going to come out on the video. Let's have a look here. Where are we going? Ooh. Okay. I'll let you know when we're at the top of here. So, we have made it to the Sky Terrace of Victoria Peak.
Pretty good view, I'd say.
Best view we've had so far over Shanghai and Hong Kong. Even Phoenix doesn't want to turn around, look. Yeah, that is pretty cool. There's a few restaurants up here where you can eat looking out over the view, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm going to turn you around now and give you some shots. Okay, so it's 6:15 and all the lights are slowly starting to come on. Our aim is to stay up here for when it gets darker. See it all lit up at night. In the background, over, if I zoom in over the back, behind this tall building I'm zooming into, that's the harbour where we was a couple of nights ago, watching the light show on this side. So the light show happens on this side. But yeah, now we get to see all the lights on the other side essentially, which is going to be pretty cool. So yeah, we'll try and get some night shots for you all. So this is where we are. That's the footage you've just seen on that banana-shaped building. Plenty of restaurants and other bits to do up here. Yeah, we are now going to try and head for dinner, I think. And I think that's going to be via a ferry. But if there's any more videoing to do here, then we will be back soon. So there we was on the top, and then this is the train entrance back down. Hopefully we haven't got to queue up in all this, because that is not going to be ideal. But we are now heading over to this side, which is some form of museum. A few shops, a few restaurants, maybe a bar if we're lucky. So yeah, let's go take a look. This is huge. Live Monopoly at the top. And then now we are just essentially in a massive shopping centre. Full of restaurants. Even a cheeky McDonald's in here. But we're going for dinner soon, so none of that. We've even got a little barber shop for dogs up here. I mean, it's pretty funny. Okay, so we are all done up at Victoria Peak. There is now a huge queue. So, some advice. We wanted to come up to see daytime into evening into the night time. Obviously that's the best time to come. However, you need to expect long queues on the way back down. If you don't mind queuing, crack on. We don't mind. But yeah, that's definitely the best time. Definitely recommend coming up. I mean, it's 7:20 now. What time do we get up here? Yeah, about 5:30 I think we got up here. So yeah, definitely the best time. So yeah, we are now going to make our way down, and we're going to get on a ferry to go get some dinner. Serena's feeding Phoenix, so we'll wrap up the vlog very, very soon. But it's time to get in this probably 15-20 minute queue now. So we'll see you soon. So we are back down from Victoria Peak, and it is time to get to the ferry to Discovery Bay for some dinner. So I'll show you some footage while we're on the ferry. There are tens and tens of like piers along here. Turns out a ferry is a very, very busy way of like getting around. There are just boats, Uber boats, ferries, all these businessmen commuting to and from work. Anyway, let's get on the Star Ferry, which goes in a minute and 15 seconds. So I should probably get a wriggle on. Right, classic. We're running for the boat, which is boarding. Let's get on. So we're on the ferry. I'll show you the seats. This is literally like getting on a train. So take a seat before we take off. Okay, so I've managed to open a window on the back of the ferry, and this is the best view we're going to get, I think. But we have a 30-minute journey to Discovery Bay. We can finally get some dinner. Okay, so that is the end of our very short and sweet Victoria Peak vlog. We have made it back here now to our hotel, the Explorers Lodge. Thoughts on Victoria Peak?
Yeah, it was lovely. It was really, really nice. The tram. Some people have said that it's a really long wait actually sometimes for the tram, and it could be like 2 hours or something, but actually we whizzed through. It was a bit of a wait on the way down, but it's because we picked sort of peak time with it being sunset and getting dark.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, very good. Definitely worth doing. But yeah, that's it, short and sweet. We got one more vlog coming up on the channel, and that is going to be our day 3 vlog from Hong Kong. We are going in, opens at 10, or was it half 10? Maybe half 10. And then we've got to leave by 7 to get back to the airport to come back to sunny old England. But yeah, that's it from us. So until next time, see you later.